Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Xiaomi. After that, select Receive on Samsung and Send on Xiaomi smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on Samsung, scroll down and choose this I agree or no thanks. Then select close this window and as you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!